Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making OBS and your inputs reliable. Open OBS, confirm the latest build and GPU drivers, then add sources, video capture device, display, and microphone, rename and lock them to avoid accidental moves. Once done, set your base canvas and output resolution to match your target, for example 1920 by 1080, and choose 30 or 60 FPS. Make sure your audio is on the correct device and monitor levels so you won't chase problems later. Next, you tune encoding and audio to balance quality and performance. In output, pick a hardware encoder like NVENC if available, otherwise X264, use CBR for streaming or CRF/CBR presets for recordings. For 1080p 60 aim for roughly 10 to 15 Mbps, reduce bitrate for smaller targets. Once done, configure audio. AAC at 160 to 320 kbps and 48 kHz. Route separate tracks to finish. You validate and resolve problems before going live. Run multiple short test recordings and inspect audio sync, dropped frames, and CPU/GPU spikes. Make sure file sizes and quality match expectations. If OBS or your system struggles, raise OBS process priority, enable scene buffering, or shift workload to GPU by changing encoder. If problems persist, check disk write speed, lower bitrate or FPS, or try 2-pass encoding for better fidelity. Remember, if audio lags, resample rates and filters are the first places to look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.